Are you looking for the best sublimation printer for heat transfer? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Monolaser by Brother. The first printer I have reviewed is a reliable, high-quality laser printer with a fast print speed of 30 pages per minute. Brother's built-in duplex function allows you to print both sides of the paper, saving time and avoiding jams. This is the ideal printer for businesses with lots of paperwork and busy schedules. It's also capable of printing up to 250 sheets of paper on a tray, so it's great for printing designs to transfer to substrates. The feature I loved about this printer is that you can print up to 2,600 pages without paying any attention to ink replacement or refilling. It comes with a replacement of 2,600 sheets capacity. I got superb quality prints that were bright, vibrant, and heat transfer compatible. 2600 by 2600 dpi resolution is enough to print the colors true to life. If you're looking for a reliable laser printer with many features, the Brother MC3224dw is the way to go. At number 2. HP Officejet Pro 8035 All-in-One Wireless Printer. The HP Officejet Pro 8035 is the latest all-in-one printer from HP, and it's packed with features that will help you create a clean, professional work environment for your business. This printer can do just about anything you want, and it's one of the most versatile printers around. It can handle a wide variety of documents, and it can even make copies or scans when you need it. Officejet Pro is a handy printer for sublimation. It comes with 8 months of ink, and you can add more at any time using the included instant ink cartridges. You can also reorder the ink in bulk when you run out, and there are several sizes available to accommodate different print sizes. You can also get help with 24/7 HP customer support, and you can get free 1-year access to HP Instant Ink, which delivers ink cartridges to your door. This is perfect for those who don't like to run out of ink. The HP Officejet Pro 8035 can even print and copy documents wirelessly, and it comes with a USB port to connect to your computer and share files. This printer is also very easy to set up, and it doesn't take much time to set up. It also includes a 2-year warranty, so you can easily fix it if anything goes wrong. HP's Officejet Pro 8035 All-in-One is a great sublimation printer for home business. I use it in my home studio for personal and professional printing needs, and I've been very happy. At number 3. HP Laserjet Pro M452dw. The HP Laserjet Pro M452dw is a slightly more advanced option than the Pro 8035. It's a fast and accurate color printer, and it works well for printing heat transfer projects. It's also very compact, so it's easy to carry around and move from room to room. It also has a good paper capacity, so you won't need to refill the tray often. One of the best things about this printer is its speed. It can print up to 4 pages per minute, faster than most other printers. That means you won't have to wait around for your print job to finish before starting the next one. This printer measures 11.2 inches wide, 6.3 inches tall, and 8.5 inches deep, so it's easy to store in the corner of a crafting room. You can allocate a minimum space for it to make heat transfer and sublimation business designs. HP offers a 1-year limited hardware warranty, which is slightly shorter than what some of the other manufacturers offer. But it's still long enough to cover most of the issues that could happen to your printer. If you do encounter any problems, you can call HP customer support for free 24/7, and they'll provide you with the phone number and email address of the nearest authorized service center. The only downside is that HP doesn't offer a lot of software and features for this printer. There's only Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connectivity. Bluetooth connectivity is not available for this printer, but that's not a huge deal. You can connect this printer to a PC and print from there. At number 4. Epson EcoTank 3760. In my list of best sublimation printers for heat presses, I have included the Epson EcoTank ET3760. It can be used to create beautiful designs without fading. The EcoTank ET3760 is a fast, versatile, and reliable small sublimation printer to use with a heat press machine. It has a large paper tray, and its automatic document feeder makes scanning and copying documents easy and quick. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. Epson 3760 supports the USB 2.0 and 3.0 standards, allowing you to connect it to your computer easily. It supports various media types, including plain paper, envelopes, labels, and transparencies. You can also add special paper types such as vellum, and it also supports various special paper types, including vellum, transparencies, and photo paper. It features a large, easy-to-read LCD and a 250-sheet paper tray for various sizes. The paper tray automatically loads the sheets, so you won't need to stop and reload. It has a 2.4-inch color display that makes it easy to scan documents or copy files. At number 5. Epson Workforce WF 7210. The Epson Workforce WF 7210 is a reliable and affordable option for businesses, freelancers, and home office users. It's a versatile printer perfect for both professional and personal use. The Workforce WF 7210 has a 12.1 wide printable area, making it ideal for business use. It features a variety of print modes that give you the flexibility to print SVGs, photographs, and other content. The Workforce WF 7210 is also compatible with Epson Replenishment. This system keeps track of your ink usage and automatically orders more when you need it. So you'll never run out of ink again. This is an affordable option for anyone who needs a reliable, high-quality color printer perfect for personal and business needs. At number 6. Lexmark MC3224dw. MC3224dw comes with a 2.8-inch, 7.2 cm, e-task touchscreen, making it easy to use and navigate. The Lexmark MC3224dw does a great job of handling documents with the same ease that you'd expect from a laser printer. It prints up to 24 pages per minute and is capable of A4 paper, plus you can also print on both sides of the paper. The paper tray is large enough for almost any paper size, and it also includes a 100-sheet paper feeder. You can also print on plain paper, and it has a convenient paper feeder. There are no ink cartridges to worry about here either, and the Lexmark MC3224dw has a standard input tray for inkjet and dye sublimation printers. The Lexmark MC3224dw can handle multiple copies at once too. It has a standard duplex function and can make up to 60 copies in one go. The Lexmark MC3224dw is a great choice for the sublimation crafts business like Easter egg holders and such special gifts. It's easy to set up and very reliable, and a 3-year warranty also backs it. Although this entry-level AIO from Lexmark prints well and quickly, its high operating costs and lack of an automated document feeder limit its usefulness in low-volume settings. At number 7. HP Smart Tank Plus 551. Tank Plus 551 got my attention when I learned that it is made from durable plastic and has a capacity of up to 2 years of ink. It has an autofill function and comes with 4 ink cartridges, so you won't worry about refilling. The tank can be easily removed and replaced with the included caps, making it easy to manage the ink. The standout benefit that helps HP printer beat its competitors is that you can print up to 6,000 black and color pages per month for up to 2 years on this ink tank printer, which is pretty impressive. The ink tank is easy to refill. It doesn't require you to remove the whole unit from the printer, just lift off the bottom cover. You can also check the level of the ink in the container. Just open the lid and see how much is left. You can simply replace the empty ink tank with a full one when the ink runs out. The 1-year limited hardware warranty covers parts and labor. However, you have to register the printer online to get the warranty.